Hey guys, Super Wrench Garage quick clip. Buddy of mine was moving, gave me this box. We'll get into that in a bit. But in that box was this little Master Mechanic 1/4-inch ratchet, and it's neat because it's got this little thumb wheel, so you can kind of loosen things up. Master Mechanic, forged in the USA, T1060, so I'm assuming this is a 60-tooth ratchet, which is neat. I like it. Sometimes free stuff is good. I've never heard of this tool. Turns out it was a True Value brand, house brand tool back in the day. Don't know who made it. I like it. Definitely going in the toolbox.